My people, tell me the truth. How can a reasonable person, someone that is reasoning very well, open a mouth and say there is no God or there is no Chukwu okike Abia? I believe Chukwu okike Abia is our God. Chukwu means the God that is greater than every other God. Okike means the creator of all things. Abia means the seer of yesterday, today, and forever. That is why they use that name Abia to call the Bia. Ama means who speaks and they come to pass. Tell me the truth. These four names that Igbo people call together, Chukwu, Okike, Abia, does it signify the name of God?